The music video is shot in Los Angeles. It's a very sleek music video. I would like to say that there's one word which can describe the music video best, and that's magic. We all want to make a hit song either in India or in LA. All of us have that intention of making a good song. So while we are writing the song, he is producing the song and laying down the tracks.
So, what sort of reactions have you been getting from, say, someone like Sonu Nigam, for example, who is, I think, who is also a master in terms of variety of genres that he can possibly sing, and he's fabulous at Western as well. Have you got some perspective and comments from any of your peers or seniors?
I don't think so. I have got any message yet about what they think about what I'm doing. I'm sure, like, when the music comes out, when the song comes out, that's when they'll share their views and opinions or whatever it is. But as of now, I think they themselves are also a little clueless about what's happening, because I had kept everyone a little in confusion about what's about to come and what's happening. So I think when the song comes out, they'll definitely share their love and whatever they feel about it.
What about the music video? Music video is launching tomorrow. So, where have you shot the music video, and what is it all about?
The music video is shot in Los Angeles. It's a very sleek music video. I would like to say that there's one word which can describe the music video best, and that's magic. You will get to know once you see the video tomorrow what I'm talking about. But it's got a very cool correlation with the lyrics. It's not directly correlated, but it gives a hint about what's happening. The song basically, I would like to tell everyone that the song basically speaks about a controlling relationship where the partner is kind of controlling your actions, your words, and you feel like stepping out of the relationship and going out of it, but there's something always that's pulling you inside and reeling you in, which is why I put out a lyric of this of the song, pushing and you pulling me back. So it's the girl only pushing me away but also pulling me back into it. So I feel like I'm under her control. Like there's no, I don't have any say in this matter. I don't have any control. All my actions, everything's being controlled by her. That is the basic crux of the song and the thought about the song.
What is the name of the girl who's there in the music video?
The girl is an actress based in LA. She acts in quite a few music videos there. Her name is Brooke Maroon, and I'm not sure if people from this side of the world might know her or whatever, but I think she's done a fabulous job. And once you see the video, you will say the same.
And who's the girl in real life on whom the song is based?
The song is not based on a real life girl in my life. It's it's kind of based on stuff that I have seen around me and relationships around me. I'm that kind of a writer and musician where I feel inspired by stuff that happens around me. You know, where if I see something wrong happening, I'd like to write about it. If there's something positive happening, I like to write about it. So in my everyday life, what's happening in my friends and in their relationships, it's based on that.
Okay, and it's a different process of the way a song is produced in the West. So tell us about the process in terms of who's the music producer, the lyricist, what all is the process like?
The process is definitely very different. However, the intention is the same. We all want to make a hit song either in India or in LA. All of us have that intention of making a good song. The way it happens in LA is that there's a couple of writers in the room. There are co-writers. So in India, how it works is there's a composer, there's a writer, and once the song is created by both of them, it goes to the producer to kind of put the beats to it and ornament it and embellish it. But in LA, the way that I saw how writing happens and how the song is made is that writers sit together, co-writers, and they are also the composers. The writers are the composers as well. And there's a producer in the room already. So while we are writing the song, he is producing the song and laying down the tracks. So it's very cool how everything happens simultaneously. In the coming few months, I would also love to show how a song is made there, so that my Indian audiences also will get an insight into how a session happens there. It's all simultaneously. It's all free flowing. And like I said, the song was done, recorded, everything in just a day.
Okay, so can you please sing a couple of lines from the song?
How you gonna play me like that? Why you can make it complicated? You wouldn't even text me back. You know the ways to keep me waiting. Say I'm done till you tell me come over. I can't help myself. Now I'm under your control and I can't take it anymore. We should make this personal. Why can't you just close the door? Do you wanna like that? Keep on pushing and he pulling me back. Yes, I'm under your control and I can't take it anymore. Yeah, anymore. Yeah, anymore.
All right, that is fabulous. So, can we see you
Thank you so much.
being part of Grammy nominations, and is that something that excites you?
Of course, that excites me. That's any musician's dream to win a Grammy, and for me, obviously, that is something that is on my checklist of things to achieve while I'm on this journey. But my intention is definitely to make great music. That's my main focus. I know that once your intention is right, all the right things come to you.
All right, that is wonderful.